Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English in Class 10. First, let's understand the core components of your English curriculum. Begin by thoroughly reviewing your syllabus and exam pattern to know what to expect. Next, establish a consistent daily study schedule, dedicating at least 1 hour to English. This routine helps build strong foundational skills across reading, writing, listening, and speaking. To boost your reading comprehension, make it a habit to read diverse materials every day. This includes your textbooks, novels, articles, and even poems. After reading, practice summarizing passages in your own words, aiming for around 150 words. This helps you grasp the main ideas and supporting details, which is crucial for answering comprehension questions accurately in exams. For writing and grammar, consistent practice is key. Regularly write essays, letters, and reports, paying close attention to structure and clarity. Dedicate time to mastering grammar rules, focusing on tenses, articles, prepositions, and punctuation. After writing, always review and correct your work. This self-correction process significantly improves your accuracy and overall writing quality over time. To enhance your speaking and listening skills, actively engage in English conversations whenever possible. Listen to English podcasts, news, and watch shows to improve your auditory comprehension. Practice speaking clearly and confidently, perhaps by reading aloud or recording yourself. Remember, consistent effort across all areas will lead to success. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot Smart Speaker, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.